The Admiralty Information Overlay, AIO, is installed in the Telko ECDIS by installing the cell GB800001 included in the permit.txt file and then the AIO data. To install the AIO permits from within the Telko chart loader, select the Licenses tab. Then click the Add Cell Permits button. Browse to the saved location of the permit.txt file you want to load. Select the permit.txt file and then click OK. A message will appear to confirm the successful loading of the permits. Click OK to finish. The AIO permit will now appear in the licenses list.